We know when the bits are shifted towards right, it is performing divide by 2 operation. So when divide by 2 operation performing opcode is SHR or SAR, the instruction can be written by following the syntax: SHR shift towards right or SAR shift arithmetic right destination operand comma count. So on application of this instruction, the count number of times the bits from the destination operand are going to be shifted towards right. So when the bits are shifted towards right, the MSB position becomes empty. So with SHR, the MSB is filled by 0. So sign get lost because MSB is representing the sign. So it is applicable in case of unsigned integer. In case of SAR, that is shift arithmetic right, the MSB is filled by previous MSB in order to preserve the sign. So it is applicable when the integer is signed. When the shifting is performed towards right direction, the LSB is shifted right to set the carry flag. Then coming to the example, move AL, A9H with this A9 operand is shifted into AL register. SHR L, 1 with this, the contents of AL register are going to be shifted towards right for once. If number of times this shifting is expected, then this count can be moved to the CL register and we can apply this SHR command like SHR L, CL. So with every shifting, the contents of CL register are going to be decremented till it reaches to 0. Now we will see the execution of this set of instructions. B0 to B7 is representing A9 in hexadecimal. Before execution of this instruction, SHR's carry flag is storing 0. After execution, this LSB will be transferred to set this carry flag 1, and B1 to B7, these bits will be shifted by one position in order to fill B0 to B6 bits, and this MSB will be filled by 0. Okay. So with this execution, the MSB1 get turned to 0, means where the sign is lost. Then coming to this SAR instruction, here with the move instruction, A9 is moved to the AL register. SAR L, 1, by this the contents of L register are going to be shifted for once. If number of times this shifting is to be performed, then that count can be moved to the CL register and we are able to apply this SAR as SAR L, CL. So two number of times the contents or bits from this AL operand are going to be shifted towards right. And with every shifting, the contents of CL register are going to be decremented. So till it reaches to the 0, the shifting get carried out. Now before execution of this set of instructions, the B0 to let us see the execution of this set of instructions. A9 is stored into the AL register. So B0 to B7 is containing 10101001 before the execution of this SAR instruction, and carry flag is set to 0. So after execution, this 1 will be moved to the carry flag and B0 to B7 bits will be B1 to B7, these bits will be shifted towards right by single position. So MSB will become empty and that will be filled by the previous MSB, which is 1. So with which the sign get preserved in case of SAR instruction.